Good evening, student. Today start chapter number 1, important point. Important point. Point number 1. Computer used its memory it to store the data and information. Computer use its memory to store data and information. Point number 1. And point number 2. Primary memory is the internal memory of the computer. Primary memory is the internal memory of the computer. Okay. Point number 3, data can be stored. Data can be stored temporarily in primary memory. Primary memory, your RAM. RAM full form is random access memory. RAM full form is random access memory. RAM stand for random access memory. And point number 4, data can be stored permanently in the secondary storage device. Data can be stored permanently in secondary storage device. Okay. Next, point number 5. A hard disk is the secondary storage. A hard disk is a secondary storage device that permanently store information. Okay, a hard disk is the secondary storage device that can permanently store information. Okay, point number 6. It is fixed inside the CPU. ठीक है, हार्ड डिस्क क्या है, फिक्स रहता है इनपुट. तो हार्ड डिस्क is fixed inside the CPU. Hard disk is fixed inside the CPU. And next, 7. An optical disk, electronic data storage medium. An optical disk is electronic data storage medium. Okay, optical disk. Okay, optical disk, electronic data storage medium. And next, point number 8. Pen drive is also known as flash drive. Okay, pen drive is also known as flash drive. Next, pen drive is a portable device used for transferring data and programs. Okay, pen drive is a portable device used for transferring data and program. And point number 11, a memory card or flash memory card are also a memory card or flash memory card also data storage device, a data storage device. Okay, point number 11, a pixel is a single dot on the computer screen. A pixel is a single dot on the computer screen. A pixel, what is pixel? The pixel is a single dot on the computer screen. And point number 12, the device that give the data and instruction to the computer are called input device. The device that giving the data and instruction to computer are called input device. Okay. Point number 6 देखना, it की जगह hard disk आएगा. Okay, it की जगह hard disk. Hard disk is fixed inside the CPU. Okay, point number 6, hard disk is fixed inside the CPU. Okay, next. Point number 13, CPU is the responsible for process. CPU is responsible for process, store and save data on the computer memory. Okay, computer is the responsible for process, store and save data on the computer's memory. And 14, point number 14, the device that display the giving the result. The device that display or giving the result of the processing of the data are called output device. The device that display or giving the result processing of the data are called output device. Okay, and point number 50, input and output device are called peripheral device. Clear? Most important point, input and output device are peripheral device. Okay, and point number 16, 1 bit means 8 byte. Point number 16, 1 bits equal 8 bits, sorry, 1 bytes equal 8 bits. Okay, 1 bytes equal 8 bits. Okay, thank you. Evening, student. Today topic is chapter number 2, important points. Point number 1, desktop. Desktop is the first screen that appear when we start switch on computer. Okay, what is desktop? Desktop is the first screen that appear when we start switch on computer. Okay, next point number 2, small graphics picture. Small graphics picture on the desktop are known as icons. Okay, small icons, small graphical pictures on the desktop are known as icons. Okay, point number 3, the desktop is the long horizontal bar. The desktop is long horizontal bar located at the bottom of desktop. Okay, the desktop is a long horizontal bar located at the bottom of desktop. Clear? Next, point number 4, bottom of the bottom on the bottom on the bottom left corner of the taskbar is called start button. Okay, button on the bottom left corner of the taskbar is called start button. Clear? And the middle section of taskbar is known as quick launch bar. Okay, the middle section of taskbar is known as quick launch bar. Clear? And point number 6, a file may be Word or writer document. A file may be Word or writer document, a text pen, PowerPoint, okay, MS Word, Excel, maybe. Okay. Next, point number 7. Folder is like a container. Folder is like a container which contains several files. Okay, which contains several files. Okay, point number 8. Window Explorer. Window Explorer is application that contain information about file, folder, and drive. Okay. Windows Explorer is used for create Window Explorer. Point number 9. Window Explorer is used for create, copy, delete, move, and rename and searching file. Okay, what is Window Explorer? So Window Explorer is used for creating, copy, deleting, move, rename, and searching file. Okay, point number 10. Wildcard. Wildcard is character can be used for searching any file. Okay, wildcard character can be used for searching any files. Okay, and point number 11, shortcut key used for copy shortcut key is control plus C. Copy shortcut is copy shortcut is control plus C. And next, paste shortcut key is control plus V, and delete shortcut is control plus D, and save control plus S, and E control plus X, and undo control plus Z, and redo control plus Y, and H. Select all control plus A. Select all means control plus A. Delete means delete key भी press कर सकते हो. Okay, delete key, press delete key. Clear? And okay, shortcut key use ना करके press only delete key on keyboard. Clear? तो शॉर्टकट की यूज कॉपी कंट्रोल प्लस सी, पेस्ट कंट्रोल प्लस वी, डिलीट कंट्रोल प्लस डी, और डेल बटन. ओके, नेक्स्ट, सेव कंट्रोल प्लस एस, कंट्रोल प्लस एक्स. ओके, कट मीन्स कंट्रोल प्लस एक्स, सेव मीन्स कंट्रोल प्लस एस, undo कंट्रोल प्लस जेड, एंड रीडू कंट्रोल प्लस वाई, एंड सेलेक्ट ऑल कंट्रोल प्लस ई. सेलेक्ट मतलब ऑल पेपर. ओके, नेक्स्ट. थैंक यू. Good evening, student. Today start chapter number 3. Important point. Important point. Point number 1. Point number 1. Alignment refer to the horizontal positioning of text in the document relative to margin. Okay. Point number 1. Alignment refer to the horizontal positioning of text in the document relative to the margin. And point number 2, in writer alignment option is found inside for format menu. Alignment left, center, right, and justify. And point number 3, formatting tool as a set of 4 icon. Okay, formatting tools as a set of 4 icons: left, center, right, and justified. Okay. Next, point number 3. There are content script which we writing for left to right. Most common among them Arabic script. Okay. There are content script which are writing for right to left. Sorry, right to left. Most common among them is Arabic script. Okay. Next, point number 5, line uh, left aligned. Okay, left aligned. Text begin each line align the left margin of the document. Left aligned. Left aligned. Okay, now point number 6, right align. It align the beginning of each line of the text along the right margin of the document. Okay, point number 7, centered. It is placed in center of each line. It is placed in center of each line. And next, justification. Text combine left and right alignment. Okay, text combines left and right alignment. And point number 9, bullets and numbering. Bullets and numbering are used to emphasize list for things and make it easier to read and follow. Bullets and numbering. Okay, bullets list are contain a bullets that revert to symbol that can be placed before the list item. Okay, bullets list contain a bullets that refers to the symbol that can be placed before the list item. It has no sequence or order. It has no sequence or order. Okay, point number 11, a numbered list is the one which has the list item in proper sequence. Okay. And next, point number 12, a nested list refer to list within a list. It has multiple labels. Okay, a nested list refer to list within a list. It has the multiple label. Point number 13, we can open bullets and numbering. We can open bullets and numbering dialog box for format menu also. Okay, we can bullets and numbering dialog box for format menu also. And next, point number 13, we can open bullets and numbering. We can open bullets and numbering dialog box from format menu. Also, special character includes symbol as common, okay, origin character and others letter from @ a has symbol, dollar symbol and percentage symbol. Special character, your dollar symbol, @ a percentage has and dollar symbol. Clear? And point number 14, header always appear to the top of a page. Okay, header always appear at the top of a page. It display the title or chapter name. It display the title or chapter name. And point number 15, footer appear at the bottom of a page. Footer appear at the bottom of a page. It are used to page numbering. Okay, point number 15, footer appear at the bottom of a page. It are used to page numbering. Okay, thank you.